Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the last week of March in our horizontal planners, and I've got these sticker books which I pulled from, though I only really pulled a couple from those two on the left. And I've got my wax paper layout again this week. So let's start. You guys are all kind of probably feeling something about this COVID-19 crisis. So I just have been reflecting that in my designs for the week. I really just wanted everything to be kind of functional, and I'm not really feeling the creativity as far as design. So I went with a standard rainbow style theme this week and kept everything pretty functional. There's not a lot of decor elements as far as visual, strong decor, mostly functional with color. That said, I'm setting up my header here, and I grabbed the Planner Babe to get me going, so everything's going to be kind of Planner Babe-ish. And for those little discs at the top, I actually cut around a quote that I just showed you there. It said Planner Babe. And the reason I did that is because there are different clear sticker discs in those books, but they're pretty large, and I wanted it to be really small and in the same proportion and scale as the bullet points. So that was the reason why I cut it out of a sticker instead of just using the pre-done discs that are available in there. The ones that are the actual size that I was looking for are only on paper stickers, paper backing, so you wouldn't be able to layer them the way that I could with the clear. That is the whole reasoning behind that. And so I am setting it up, like I said, very rainbow functional. I grabbed a few quotes from the Happy Quote sticker book. That one in the corner that says, "When you love what you have everything you need." You kind of see the theme here that everything is just kind of about calming down and not freaking out over this current state of our world. So that's what I am going for in this, just little reminders to just keep calm and carry on kind of thing. So I also am putting in here this rainbow diagonal washi just to add a little bit of flair. Nothing too dramatic, but I'm adding that throughout near the top and within the spread just to add a little bit of extra color and fun. I also have a little getaway sticker there, hoping to get out of the house a bit now that we're all on lockdown, so that's what that is for. Also the good vibes there, just again trying to re-emphasize the happiness and the joy and not like the freak out. So yeah, so that's what we're doing here. Using my standard kind of functional layout as far as focus boxes and checklists. I am going to try to be very productive during the week just to keep busy. I mean, it's really not that different for me aside from not being able to go to the gym since I work from home. But still, I don't know, just this whole stressful atmosphere kind of makes me unmotivated in a sense. So want to keep it functional so that I can, really tackle things that need to be tackled and get things done. I had laid down this sticker here, as you see me pulling up, and I realized that I wanted it to kind of be staggered a bit more inside of the page. So I'm pulling it up, and I'm going to actually add a sticker, I think there on the left, to fill that extra space a bit. So I have one in mind. I'm going to go and try to find it. So I'm grabbing this guy, and I'm just going to trim it so it looks like it's going behind the box. Kind of shift that in a little bit so things weren't too aligned along the page. That was my goal. I didn't want them to be straight up and down in any one spot. I also thought that will work for planner supplies sticker was really cute. And I liked that it was kind of colorful too. Since a lot of the quotes that I pulled are mainly black, I wanted to have a little bit of rainbow feels where I could. I have that I am a happy planner sticker. That is a white circle sticker, so I'm about to pull a Plans by Rochelle move here and do some black dots around the edge so you can kind of see it a little bit better. This is definitely her technique, and I just think it's a great idea for those white circle stickers, so all the props to her for this idea. I also covered up, there's a gold heart there below the word planner, but I didn't want to have any gold on this spread, so I covered it with a clear teal sticker that I had. I think that one came out of the Happy Illustrations book. The actual sticker was from the Happy Quotes sticker book, the circle sticker. And then I was laying in this rainbow sticker strip and realized that it was cut funky on the sticker book. So I'm going to trim off the weird part as much as I can so it looks normal. And then I'm going to add in this Don't Stress sticker, again reinforcing the keep calm. Just keep plugging away at your normal routine, no need to stress. I'm going to add in the last day, which is this purple tone. And then making an adjustment here to this sticker. I wanted it a little bit higher than it was. Also going to add in this box sticker, but this was another sticker that was cut funky on the actual sheet, so it was bothering me as I was looking at it, so I decided to trim it and try to make it look a little bit more even on the edges. I think it did okay. It's kind of hard to re-trim a circle sticker, by hand, but I think it at least visually didn't call my attention as much as it did before. And then this last area down at the bottom is usually like where I put my black emphasis or rainbow emphasis when I do a rainbow spread to kind of differentiate it. So that is what you're going to see here. I was going to try to make an adjustment there, but it was stuck down too hard and I didn't want to pull up the page. And laid that down a little bit too quick, it's stuck down, so I wanted to align that so it didn't go over the line. I'm going to try to reuse this piece, but I didn't think it worked very well down at the bottom. Let's see if I can find another place. Where can we put you? I think that works. Let's put that there. Okay. All right, you guys, I think we are all done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.